Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and this is another requested video dealing with incrementing a string, but to use a while loop instead of a for loop, and to do it with a break and without a break. So let's just jump into it. So as you'll see, that with a break is, or excuse me, without a break is better than with a break. It's just going to look more fluid. So let's just get into it. So what we need to do is we need to add an extra variable. Since we're going to use a break, we have to have a condition, excuse me, a non-break with a while loop. So we need to count. We need to increment up. So let's just get to it. While new string, excuse me, count less than len, let's get that out of the way, len of s. So we need to then, so we're going to use our indexing here. So as we go through, because on our first go round, count is 0. That's our initiated variable. So count, so we're indexing string 0, so that's A, then 1, then 2, 3, so on. Alright, not in vowels. Then we increment up our new, if I can type today, and then our s count. So, okay. Then every time through this loop we need to iterate count. So there we are. And then we're going to print our new string. So here we go. Boom. Same situation. There we are. Everything that is not a vowel. So that one's pretty self-explanatory. So now let's get through and let's look at how choppy or what not to do. But the request was how to do this with break. And as you'll see, this is the preferred method. So let's just block that out and let's get going. So we have our count, we have our vowels. All right, we got everything. So while true, so we're not having any, we're hardwiring this. So we want to get through, go through, and then when we have a condition, we break out of it. Okay, if count equals len s, oops, break. Then if so you guys can see this, if count not in vowels, new string, and everything else is the same. We increment up s count, and then we still need to increment every time through. And I want to show you this. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Wanted to show you count every time, and then new string. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Len of s. There you go. So I'm just showing you every time through. So that is this. Now I also want to show you, you really don't need this. So let's go back. I can't remember. It's bracket, de-indent region. So here we go. boom, same outcome. Okay, so we could really do this as a elif. All right, boom. Okay, does that make sense? Cool, there we go. Just looks a little bit more standard. Or you could do the else, or just another if, but need two ifs, it gets a little dicey. So okay, so there we go. As always, thanks for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, any video requests below, and I'll knock them out. We've had some awesome ones there, and I can't tell you guys thank you enough. I got the best subscribers around. So as always, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.